Okay, let us see how to create the shown diagram in isometric view of this diagram in AutoCAD. Okay, I am opening AutoCAD. Keep the AutoCAD window into 2D mode, drafting annotation. Okay, then next thing, the ISO draft should be switched on. Make a note of this. This mode should be switched on, and ortho mode also should be switched on. These three things you make sure. Okay, and now switch off the grid. We don't want the background grid for clear visibility. And then let us move on to that diagram. I am drawing this diagram. Start from here. Okay, this line 125, 125 likewise. Okay, I am starting from this corner. Okay, now taking line and start, click anywhere on the screen. If you drag the mouse, it will show the straight line because of the ortho mode switched on. Okay, ensure that this direction 100, enter. Then upward direction, zoom, make center, pan it, upward 25. Again here 100, enter. Here if it is continuous, C for close, or simply enter 25. 25 also you can enter, or C enter. C means close, enter. This rectangle will be closed. Then take line and start from here. Here we need to draw one 25 square. If you refer here 25 square. Okay, in this corner you start. We need this direction, so that you switch on ISO plane. When I am saying ISO plane, I am pressing F5. That is the meaning. Okay, in keyboard shortcut is F5, ISO plane. Then your cursor can be moved in this direction to draw lines. Okay, let us draw 25 mm. Okay, above, if you want above, switch on ISO plane. Okay, okay, then 25 and complete. Enter. Again enter will take the line command. This direction we need to draw, so that switch on ISO plane. Simply I will say hereafter ISO plane. That means you have to press F5. Okay, 100, yeah, ISO plane. Okay, done. Then let us refer this wedge shape we need to draw. Okay, this wedge shape, and 70 plus 25 plus 25, that whole entire length will be 130. Okay, 120. Okay, 70 plus 50, then 120, 90, here 40, and you have to draw join this wedge shape we need to draw. Let us draw in this corner or in the middle. Later wise we will move align with this dimension. Okay, wherever you want you can draw this corner. We will draw this corner. Thereafter we will move on to 40 mm this direction. Okay, so that let us take line, select from here 120, above F ISO plane. Okay, 90, this one is 40, and switch off ortho. In order to draw the inclined line, switch off ortho, F8. Okay, and join. Okay, understand? Now this should be moved, this four lines should be moved in this direction with 40 mm, because it is in this corner. Now it should be moved 40 mm in this direction. Okay, let us move it. Move, select all the lines, whatever you want to move, enter, and click anywhere and show the direction. When it is moving, you should switch on the ortho mode. Okay, this direction, it is only moving in this direction. we need to move this direction isoplane F5. Okay, and enter the distance 40. It is placed. See that 40 mm it is moved. Then thereafter this 4 lines should be copied to the required width 20 mm. Okay, then let us copy this, and in this direction let us copy. Select the command copy and select the all the lines whatever you want to copy. Enter. Anywhere you click and drag. If you show this direction 20 mm, enter. At 20 mm it will be copied. Okay, and now you trim away the, before trimming let us draw the lines, required lines. Okay, whatever we want to join. This line not visible anyway, first you draw, thereafter we will trim unwanted portions. Okay, trim, select this, this, zoom it, and this also no need. Okay, now you can understand what to be done. Okay, same way let us draw the required shape. This from this corner 30, 70, 30, likewise remaining things let us draw likewise. Okay, line, from where we will draw isoplane 70 for reference, later we will draw. Above isoplane 25, 25, 25 and 25 again, or click it again, line, isoplane. Okay, again line, you draw beyond that. Okay, but we need only that much length. Let us refer that. See 30 mm, then 70 you join this 30 mm, not up to this. Okay, we delete this line also, take line and then start 30. Okay, isoplane F5. Okay, then trim it. Okay, again you can trim this line, for reference only we drawn. Isoplane 25 and isoplane you join here. Okay, again from here isoplane and you draw up to intersection, you later you trim. Okay, you can see that this diagram somewhat it is completed. Okay, now coming to this circle, actually this whole is circle. In this view it can be visible as a circle, but in the isometric view it will be a ellipse. Okay, so that this circle center should be 30 mm and 45 mm from the bottom, or above, from the above 45. Okay, because this is 90, from the middle it will be there, in the horizontal 30 mm. Okay, let us draw this surface. You select the ellipse second option, axis end ellipse option, center, axis end, two options are there to draw an ellipse. Okay, you select axis end and also you select the iso circle. The options as well as you are taking this option, it is showing the option arc, center, iso circle. You click the iso circle. First you draw here at the corner, known corner. Okay, here or here, anywhere you draw. Let us draw here. Click and drag. You can see that that circle is in the top surface plane. Okay, so that you change the isoplane F5, pressing F5, you can see that ellipse will be changed. Okay, if you press again in this plane. Okay, likewise but whatever you want you can change that, like this only. Then it will waiting for the radius of the iso circle. You refer that diagram, this radius 15. Okay, so that you enter 15. Understand, it is drawn in that corner. So then let us move it accordingly. Move, select object, enter, and move it in this direction 30. Again move, select object, enter, downward 45. Understand, it is located. Then in order to draw, it is a hole, through hole, so that other end small arc shape will be appear in this view, so that this also to be drawn. So that let us copy this to this thickness. Copy, select object, enter, and you click and drag isoplane, switch on. It is moving in the only in this directions. We need to move in this direction, so F5. Then in this direction we need how much thickness? 20 mm. That plate thickness is 20, so that 20. It is copied, and then you trim. Thereafter, in order to get this portion alone, you trim other portions. Okay, you will have the arc shape, small arc shape. Then you go for dimensioning. While giving dimension, you just give the dimension, aligned dimension wherever you want. Okay, it will come. Then thereafter we will align with that edge. Okay, aligned, select this and this, it will come. Wherever you want, you go for dimensioning. Okay, for example I am giving. Okay, from here to here. Okay, likewise this height also should be given. Okay, now I will tell you how to give the dimension aligned with this edge. Okay, you go for annotate dimension, you open the dimension, go to this oblique. Okay, you select this oblique, select this dimension, enter, and you should enter this angle 30 degree. Okay, this 30 degree you have to enter. For the horizontal, this is 30 degree. Okay, you it will align with that. Okay, 30, enter. Understand, for the horizontal this line is 30 degree, this inclination, so that we need to enter that. Okay, similar way oblique, select this, enter. Now 30, this is not 30, this will be you to calculate. Oblique, select the dimension, enter, 150. Okay, it is aligned with 150. This is 30, this is 150, likewise. Okay, 180, this is 180, minus 30 will gives you 150. You align with this line. Okay, similar way dimension, this is 30, select the dimension, enter, angle 30. Okay, and this is also 30. Okay, dimension, select the dimension, enter, 30. Okay, and this is also 30. Oblique, select the dimension, enter, and angle 30. Okay, similar way you can give the dimension. First you give the dimension. For circle I am giving circle, diameter, select this, it's not coming, so that you go for my leader, give the dimension, and then enter diameter symbol diameter, and then 30, that is diameter is given in your diagram. Okay, to maximize the dimension, you go to leader setting, and you can modify, you can change the content, text, height and all. Here you can change it for 6, anything you can change. Okay, the leader structure, set current, close, it will be bigger. Similar way, dimension setting also you can go for dim style and modify the dimension, text and all. 6 symbols and arrows also 6. Okay, primary units single digit, likewise you can change it, it will be visible. Understand? We hope that you understood this. Thank you.